In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make watermark on CapCut PC. So first, I input a video. Example purpose, this is my video. So I need to add a watermark, right? So now just click on text, then click on default. That's good. Just it's to full. Okay. So I just here name, write my name. Okay, that's good. Once you have done it, you need to just select this font, then going on this option. So scroll down. This is a transform and blend. So you can just keep it some slower and smaller. Okay, 48% good. Then I copy it again. Then just paste this fast. Okay, just keep it on here. That's good. If I playing this video right now, you can see this watermark working really well. Just going on export, then download this video. That's good. So if you found this video helpful for me, like subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.